Good morning. It's time to see what the weather has. Back out in store for us today. Oh, lovely fresh air. Let's have a... Oh, yes. It's gonna be another beautiful day. Let's go get some breakfast. Farewell, Cortona. That was a beautiful stay. The concert last night, the nice small village atmosphere, there's so much to explore, the great food, the nice people. It was peaceful and quiet, and the beautiful weather and views. Stunning. But now we're moving on. So today I'm heading to Siena via the lake. So a little bit of a detour, not much. But what a beautiful day to be out and about. So let's go. Oh, these aren't sunglasses. I'm sure these were sunglasses. Okay, so I followed some markings I made on the map, followed a little road and a track down to find a way to the lake's edge. And had to abandon the car now, gone the rest of the way on foot, found this little path that goes through vegetation. No idea where it goes to, but I know the lake is somewhere over there and I can see reeds and I can hear water and birds. So hopefully, under these, excuse me, it's going to take me, out nettles, to the lake. Oh. I was a bit excited there. I was going around the corner to the lake, but no, it's just more reeds getting off my foot. Okay, but now I can see lake. Let's show you as well. Hold on. Here we go. And, oh wow. Oh, little boats here too. Nobody else here though. Oh, beautiful. We've arrived at my place to stay just outside the city of Siena. So let me take you in and show you around. A nice hour and a half drive via the lake to go and see. Nice looking place. Nice little outside area. Some lions guarding the entrance. Let's go in and show you around. It's nice off-road parking for the car as well, which is nice. So then we head up the stairs. Changing colour glowy handrail. Lovely and quiet and clean. And then up the next set of stairs, next handrail. We come to a sort of dining, social reception area. This is a room rented in a house. So this is where the breakfast will be, and oh, I notice cake. Might be able able to sneak a bit of that. Anyway, this is always a breakfast room. I'll show you a bit more of this at breakfast. Next, I'll show you to my room, which is down the corridor. First, got a shared bathroom. So here's the bathroom. Let me just find a light for you. There we go. So yeah, so here's the bathroom. Toilet and bidet. Pile of towels. Let me try and get into a corner, give you a view of the basin, toiletries, shampoo, soap, flannels, hairdryer. Big rain shower in the corner. Can you see that rain shower? Yep. In there. So that's the bathroom, and that's sort of a light off a communal for 4 or 5 rooms. Just close that door behind me. Okay, then down onto my room. Where's my room key? Which was my room? How do I know which my room is? Not numbered. I think it was this one. I'll try my key. There we go. Excuse me. There we are. Nice double bed. There's actually a TV, Wi-Fi, no aircon or anything. Hopefully it won't be needing that. And there's a wardrobe, a mirror, little desk. Just a neat, tidy little room. There you go. Welcome to Siena. Let's get those bags unpacked, change, and go and explore Siena. And get some food. I missed dinner last night because I was busy watching the concert and everything was closed. Had snacks for supper last night. So I am hungry. And so maybe I can get some of that cake. I get a little slice of that cake. Then go and get some proper food in town. Come on, let's explore. Small interruption for some rain. Everybody ran back up.